Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. If you've recently upgraded your iPhone to iOS 27 and want to use diagnostic mode to verify its hardware authenticity or check for damage, but it got stuck on the diagnostic mode screen, don't worry, this might be a bug in iOS 27. In this video, I'll show you how to use ReiBoot to fix your iPhone stuck in the diagnostic mode interface. First, connect your iPhone to your computer and enter recovery mode. You need to quickly press the volume up button, then press the volume down button, and finally hold the power button until recovery mode is loading. Wait for it to load fully into the recovery mode interface, then choose to enter recovery mode. Next, click the Start Repair button in ReiBoot. Choose Standard Repair to fix the system issues. The whole process takes about 10 minutes. Once the repair is complete, your iPhone will return to normal, and the issue will be fully resolved. At Tenorshare, we are committed to enhancing your iOS experience, making it smoother and more reliable. Thank you for choosing ReiBoot as your trusted iOS repair and management partner, and we look forward to your next visit.